Heavenly Father, I come before you right now in humility and surrender, acknowledging that you are the creator of my body, my mind, and every system within me. You formed me with divine intention, with wisdom beyond human understanding, and you know every fiber of my being. You know the intricacies of my nervous system, every signal, every response, every place where there has been stress, overload, or imbalance. And today, I place it all in your hands. I declare that nothing in my body is beyond your healing power. Nothing is too damaged, too overwhelmed, or too far gone for your restoration. You are the God who restores, the God who renews, and the God who makes all things whole again. Lord, I speak directly over my nervous system right now. Every nerve, every pathway, every signal that has been disrupted, I bring it under the authority of your healing power. Where there has been anxiety, I declare peace. Where there has been tension, I declare release. Where there has been confusion or overload, I declare clarity and calm. Let your peace flow through my body like a river, touching every part of me that has been strained or exhausted. I command my body to come back into divine alignment, into the order you originally designed. Father, you said that your peace surpasses all understanding, and right now, I receive that peace deep within my nervous system. Not just in my thoughts, but in my physical body, in my heart rate, in my breathing, in the way my body responds to life. I reject every pattern of chronic stress, every cycle of fear, every reaction rooted in survival instead of trust. I break agreement with anything that has kept my nervous system in a state of constant alert or unrest. I declare that I am safe in you. I am held by you. I am covered by your presence. Lord, I release every burden that has weighed heavily on my system, every worry, every fear, every trauma, every unresolved pain. You see it all, and you care deeply. I do not have to carry it alone anymore. I lay it at your feet right now. Every memory that triggers stress, every thought that brings tension, every feeling that overwhelms, I surrender it to you. Replace it with your peace. Replace it with your truth. Replace it with your healing presence that brings complete restoration. I declare that my nervous system will no longer operate in fear, but in faith. I will not be ruled by anxiety, but by trust in you. I will not be driven by stress, but by your peace. My body will learn a new rhythm, the rhythm of heaven, the rhythm of rest, the rhythm of restoration. Every part of me that has been conditioned to expect danger, to anticipate stress, to remain tense, I command it to release now, in the name of divine peace. Father, breathe your life into my body. Let your spirit move through me, calming every storm within, just as you spoke to the winds and waves and said, "Peace, be still." I ask you to speak that same command over my nervous system. Let every internal storm be silenced. Let every surge of anxiety be stilled. Let every trembling place find rest in you. I declare healing over my brain, over my spinal cord, over every nerve ending. I declare that the signals in my body will function properly, smoothly, and in perfect harmony. No more misfiring, no more overload, no more imbalance. I speak divine order over my entire system. What has been disrupted will be restored. What has been weakened will be strengthened. What has been damaged will be renewed. Lord, where there has been exhaustion, I declare fresh energy. Where there has been burnout, I declare renewal. Where my body has been stuck in cycles of stress, I declare freedom. I am not bound by what I have experienced. I am not limited by what I have felt. I am being made new, right now, by your power. I receive your healing not just as a hope, but as a reality. I believe that as I pray, you are already working. You are already restoring balance. You are already calming my system. You're already bringing peace into places that have known only tension. I trust in your timing, and I trust in your process. But I also stand in faith that healing is happening now. Father, teach my body how to rest again. Teach my mind how to be still. Teach my heart how to trust deeply. Let every breath I take be filled with your peace. Let every moment be grounded in your presence. I will not rush. I will not strive. I will rest in you, knowing that you are doing a deep and complete work within me. I declare that my nervous system is being recalibrated. According to heaven's design, I am not broken, I am being restored. I am not overwhelmed. I am being renewed. I am not stuck, I am being transformed. Every day, I am moving closer to complete healing, to total restoration, to perfect peace. Lord, I thank you for what you are doing, even now. I thank you that healing is flowing. I thank you that peace is settling. I thank you that restoration is taking place in ways I can feel and even in ways I cannot yet see. I choose to trust you completely, and I will continue to stand on this truth. I am healed. I am whole. I am restored by your power, by your presence, and by your love that never fails. I continue in your presence, Father, choosing to remain still before you, allowing your healing work to go even deeper. I invite you into the hidden places within me, the places I may not fully understand, the areas where my nervous system has adapted to pain, stress, or fear over time. You see what I cannot see. You understand what I cannot explain. And I trust you to bring light into every dark or tense place within me. Let your healing reach the roots, not just the surface. Let it go into the core of my being where true restoration begins. Lord, I declare that my body is not my enemy. My nervous system's not working against me, it has been trying to protect me. But now, I invite it to come into agreement with your truth. I declare that I am no longer in danger. I am no longer in survival mode. I am safe in your presence. I am covered by your peace. Let every signal in my body begin to reflect that truth. Let every response shift from fear to calm, from tension to ease, from overload to balance. I speak gently yet powerfully to my body right now. Relax, release, and receive healing. Every tight muscle, every clenched space, every area holding stress, I command you to let go. You do not need to carry this anymore. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to soften. You are allowed to be at peace. I give my body permission to come out of constant alert and into deep, restorative rest. Father, rewire every pattern that has been shaped by stress or trauma, where my nervous system has learned to react quickly, fearfully, or intensely. I ask you to retrain it with your peace. Create new pathways of calm. Establish new patterns of safety. Let my body learn what it feels like to live in steady peace, not just fleeting moments of relief. I declare that from overwhelm to stability, from fear to trust. I renounce every lie that has told me that I will always feel this way, that I will never fully heal, that my body is permanently damaged. Those thoughts have no authority over me. I replace them with truth. I am being restored. My nervous system is healing. My body is capable of renewal. I am not stuck. I am not broken beyond repair. I am under divine restoration right now. Lord, let your healing presence flow through my mind, calming every racing thought. Let it flow through my heart, steadying every irregular rhythm caused by stress. Let it move through my breath, slowing it down, making it deep and peaceful. Let it flow through my entire body like a gentle wave, washing away tension, releasing pressure, and bringing complete calm. I declare that I will no longer fear my symptoms. I will not be controlled by sensations of anxiety, panic, or overwhelm. Instead, I will meet them with truth, with faith, and with the awareness that you are with me in every moment. Even when my body feels unsettled, I am grounded in you. Even when I feel waves of stress, I remain anchored in your peace. Father, I thank you that healing is not just possible, it is already in motion. Every moment I choose peace, my nervous system is learning. Every moment I choose trust, my body is being restored. Every moment I turn to you, I am stepping deeper into healing. I celebrate even the smallest signs of progress, knowing that they are evidence of your work within me. I declare that my sleep will be peaceful and restorative. No more restless nights driven by an overactive nervous system. No more waking up tense or anxious. I speak deep rest over my nights and renewed energy over my days. My body will recover. My mind will reset. My system will find its natural, healthy rhythm again. Lord, I surrender control. I release the need to constantly monitor my body, to overanalyze every feeling, to anticipate every reaction. I trust you to take care of me. I trust the process of healing that you have begun. I let go of striving, and I step into rest. I let go of fear, and I step into faith. I declare total restoration over my nervous system, nothing missing, nothing broken, nothing out of order, from the smallest nerve ending to the largest system of communication within my body. Everything is being brought back into divine alignment. I am not settling for partial healing. I stand in faith for complete restoration. Father, thank you for your patience with me. Thank you for walking with me through every step of this journey. Thank you for never leaving me, even in moments when my body felt overwhelming or difficult to understand. You have been constant. You have been faithful, and you will complete what you have started. I receive your peace again, deeply and fully. I let it settle into my bones, into my nerves, into every part of me. One choose to live from this place of peace. I choose to return to it again and again. And I trust that with time, consistency, and your power, this peace will become my new normal. Primere mainhere, in your presence, open, surrendered, and expectant for even more of your healing to continue flowing through me. And Father, as I remain here in this sacred place of surrender, I go even deeper with you. I invite you into every layer of my being's soul and body, knowing that true healing flows from the inside out. You are not just calming symptoms. You are restoring me completely. You are aligning me with your perfect design, where peace is natural, where rest is normal, and where my nervous system functions in harmony with your presence. Lord, I declare that my body is learning safety again. Every cell within me is receiving the message that it is okay to relax, it is okay to let go, it is okay to be at peace. I break every cycle of I break every pattern of constant alertness. I declare that I do not have to live in survival mode anymore. I am no longer trapped in reactions shaped by the past. I am stepping into a new way of being grounded, steady, and still now. I speak to every part that has been underactive or shut down, awaken in peace and balance. I declare regulation, stability, and harmony over my entire system. There will be no extremes, no chaos, no imbalance, only steady, consistent peace flowing through me like a gentle current that never runs dry. Father, I ask you to heal not only what I feel physically, but also what is stored emotionally within my body. Every place where stress has been held, every place where fear has been stored, every place where trauma has left an imprint. I invite your healing light to enter, gently, lovingly, completely restore those places. Let nothing remain hidden or unresolved. You are safe, and I trust you to handle every part of my healing with care. I declare that I am not defined by my past experiences. I am not limited by what my body has gone through. My nervous system is not permanently shaped by stress or fear. It is being reshaped by peace, by truth, and by your presence. I am being renewed daily. I am being transformed continuously. I am becoming more and more aligned with the wholeness you have intended for me. Lord, I receive the gift of calm. I receive the gift of stillness. I receive the ability to sit, to breathe, and to exist without tension or fear. I declare that calm is safe. For me, rest is safe for me. Peace is safe for me. I do not need to be on edge to be protected. I do not need to be anxious to be prepared. You are my protector. You are my refuge. You are my peace. I release the need to control every outcome, every situation, every feeling. I let go of the pressure to fix everything myself. I trust you as my healer. I trust you as the one who sustains me, even when I don't understand what my body is doing. I choose to remain anchored in faith, knowing that you are working behind the scenes, bringing everything into alignment. Father, I declare that my mind and body are coming into agreement with your truth. No more internal conflict, no more confusion. My thoughts are becoming peaceful, and my body is responding with calm. My inner world is becoming a place of rest, not chaos, a place of safety, not fear. a place where your presence dwells freely and fully. I speak life over my nervous system. I speak strength over it. I speak resilience over it. It will recover. It will adaptación. It'll function the way it was designed to function. Every part of me is cooperating with healing. Every part of me is moving toward restoration. Lord, I thank you that I don't have to rush this process. Healing is not something I have to force. It is something I receive. It is something that unfolds as I remain connected to you. And so I choose patience. I choose grace for myself. I choose to honor the journey while trusting the outcome. I declare that even in moments when I feel symptoms, I will not be shaken. I will not interpret them as failure. I will not fall back into fear. Instead, I will see them as opportunities to return to peace, to breathe, to trust, and to allow your healing to continue. I am no longer afraid of my body. I am partnering with it in healing. Father, thank you for the awareness you are giving me. Thank you for helping me understand my body with compassion instead of fear. Thank you for guiding me into habits, thoughts, and rhythms that support healing. I am not alone in this journey. You are leading me every step of the way. I declare that my future is not one of constant anxiety or stress, but one of peace, stability, and strength. I see myself living freely, breathing deeply, resting fully, and responding to life with calm confidence. I see my nervous system functioning in perfect harmony, no longer overwhelmed, no longer reactive, but balanced and whole. Lord, I anchor myself in this truth. I'm being restored completely, not partially, not temporarily, but fully and permanently. Your healing is deep, it is lasting, and it is powerful, and I receive it now with an open heart and unwavering faith. I remain here in your presence, allowing your peace to settle even deeper, allowing your healing to continue flowing, knowing that you are not finished yet, and that every moment with you is bringing me closer to total restoration. And Father, as this prayer draws toward its close, I remain anchored in gratitude, in faith, and in deep trust in you. I thank you not only for what I have felt in this moment, but for what you continue to do beyond what I can see. You are always working, always restoring, always bringing things into divine order. Even when I step away from this moment of prayer, your healing does not stop. Your peace does not fade. Your presence does not leave me. Lord, I seal every word that has been spoken in faith. I seal every declaration of healing, every command of peace, every truth that has been planted deep within my spirit and my body. Let these words take root. Let them grow. Let them produce lasting transformation within my nervous system and throughout my entire being. Nothing that has been released will return, and everything that has been restored will remain. I declare that from this moment forward, my body will continue to respond to peace. My nervous system will continue to settle into calm. My mind will continue to align with truth, even in the midst of life's challenges. I will carry this peace within me. It will not be easily shaken. It will not be easily lost. It is anchored in you, and therefore it is secure. Father, I thank you that I am not leaving this prayer the same way I came. Something has shifted. Something has realigned. Something has been restored. And even if I do not fully see it yet, I believe it with all my heart. I walk forward in faith, not by what I feel, but by what I know, that you are faithful, and you always complete what you begin. I receive ongoing healing. I receive continued restoration. I receive deeper and deeper levels of peace each day. My nervous system is not just healing, it is thriving. It is becoming strong, balanced, and resilient. I am stepping into a new normal, where peace is my foundation, and rest is my natural state. Lord, I give you all the glory for this healing. I give you all the honor for this restoration, and I will continue to return to you again and again, knowing that you are my source, my healer, and my peace. In faith, in authority, and in complete trust, I declare that it is done. Amen.